Do you want soft, fluffy Nigerian puff-puff that is perfectly round and not oil? Then watch this video till the end because I'm about to show you my simple secrets. Hey lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making this golden, soft and super fluffy Nigerian puff-puff that melts so easily in your mouth. In a clean bowl, add your flour. For this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of flour. Make sure to sieve your flour, okay? Next, add half a cup of sugar followed by your milk and then 2 tablespoons of yeast. Then mix everything together to combine. Now add salt and nutmeg for extra flavor. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Then gradually add warm water while mixing to avoid adding too much at once. At this point, I switched from a whisk to using my hands so I could mix it more thoroughly. Of course, as a Nigerian, there is no Nigerian puff-puff without fresh pepper and onions. So I added some fresh pepper and onions, which is optional, but it gives a unique taste. Continue mixing until you achieve your smooth texture. Once the batter is ready, cover the bowl with a nylon wrap or make use of whatever you have at home, like I did here. Then cover it again with a lid and finally wrap it up with clothes to keep it warm. Set it aside to rise for about 40 to 50 minutes. While waiting, place your pot on a heat and add a good amount of oil. Now let's check on the batter. Ooh, look at that. It has risen beautifully and doubled in size. This is exactly what we want. Grease your hands with oil to prevent the batter from sticking and gently scoop and drop the batter into the oil. Once the puff-puff starts to float, turn it to the other side. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the oil and repeat the same process for the remaining batter. Just look at how beautiful and golden this looks. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? If this is your first time here, you are welcome to this beautiful family. Please don't make it your last. Hit that subscribe button, okay? And to my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Now, let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. See you in my next video. Bye.